Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. So in my last beauty video, I reviewed some of the MURILLO Twins Beauty Creations collaboration. Last time I used Brianna's eyeshadow palette, her lashes, the face palette that comes in the collection, and her lip combo. If you haven't checked that out, I will put it in the description below. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this look, which I used Brittany's palette, her lashes, and her lip combo. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So last video I did Brianna's palette, so today we're going to be doing a look with Brittany's palette. These are the colors it has. Very pretty. It's definitely more colorful, I guess, in a way than Brianna's. I'm not sure what I want to do today. When I first saw this, I knew I wanted to do a blue look, but now that I see the purples and these shimmers, I kind of want to do a purple look. But no, you know what, I'm gonna stick to doing the blue look, and then maybe in a future video I'll do a look with the purple. And I like that they actually did like two very different color palettes. I'm gonna start by just priming my lid. I'm gonna use the P. Louise base in, I think this is Rumor 3, and then just because this is kind of too similar to my skin tone, I'm going to use a tiny dab of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Medium Sand. Since I did like the bold wing liner last time, I want to see if I can try to do like almost like a wing liner but with the eyeshadow. So let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna use some tape because I want to get like a really nice line. I can do it without the tape. Alright, so there's not much crease colors I can use. I think really the only one I can use is this one. This is a Let Me Live. I put that in my crease. I did have to go into the color a couple times just to get a really good payoff, but it's not bad. Hope it's dark enough. So what I have in like my head to do, which was literally right before I started recording, since I did like a kind of bold look with the wing liner, I thought maybe I could do a liner but just with the shadow. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. I'm going to take this little pencil brush. I'm going to go into this color right here. I'm just going to follow along the tape. I'm just going to follow along this line. I'm going to kind of mimic like how I would if I'm putting wing liner on. Okay, so they're both done. Not really twins, they're sisters, but it's okay. I'm just gonna kind of lightly, with a very light hand, just kind of blend the top. I'm gonna go into this color, which is Drip, and I'm going to carefully put that on my lid. Can you hold on to my heart so slow? 'Cause there's so many ways this could go, and there's so much that I don't know. I am just gonna go into this shimmer, and the color is Pisces. Well, the color is called Pisces. I'm just gonna go over the drip color with my finger. Then with this color JJ, I'm gonna go under my brow. I don't know why I use this brush. Let's do lashes. So last time I used Brianna's lashes because I used her palette, so today I'm going to use Brittany's lashes. I think they're definitely a bit more dramatic. They're definitely longer than Brianna's. I'm just looking at this. Can you guys see right here, this hair is kind of, just take it out and see. Yeah, I don't know what they were doing with this. I don't know if you guys can see this, like, I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try to like take a picture and maybe I'll put it here, but definitely too long. I don't know when they were making them. I don't know if they didn't cut them right. You see it? So I got my lashes on. They are definitely very bold. They're definitely very extra, but you know what? I'm not mad at them. I think I've only worn lashes this big one time. Done with my eyes, so I'm just gonna take the tape off. So here is how the eyes look. I really like them. I mean, I didn't realize like these lashes were gonna be so big, so you can't even really see the brown liner I did, but the blue definitely still pops out. I'm just gonna kind of do my face really quickly, and then we'll do some last minute touches to my eyes, and then we will move on to her lip kit. Alright guys, so my face is all done. In case you want to know what I use in my face, for primer I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation I use the NYX Total Control in Golden Honey. For highlight and contour I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Medium Sand, and a little bit of this is the Kylie Jenner in Clove. Just want to add a little highlight to like my tear duct. So I'm gonna go into this color. It says Icy Girl. I don't know if I want to go into this one or this one down here that says Boss Life. Maybe I'm gonna go into Icy Girl just because it's silver and blue. The one thing I would say for this palette, this one and the other one, be careful with the glitters or the shimmers. They are a little chunky. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's a little bit on the chunky side. I'm gonna put this in my makeup. And then I'm gonna go into Drip again and just line my lower lash line. So my eyes are all done. I like the color of that Icy Girl one, but the only thing is like it's so chunky. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so chunky that it's hard to like grab onto the brush and apply on evenly. Like you can see, probably you would need to spray with like some Fix Plus or some kind of mist and then go into it maybe. So now we're gonna go into her lip palette, a lip liner and a lip gloss, which I actually used in the last video over the lipstick because I really didn't like how the lipstick applied. Pencil is similar. Hers is called Poppin'. I don't know how this color will look for me. Got me stressing out and acting strange. You keep the change 'cause it's been hard to process all your negative. I feel like you can't really see. I think it's a little bit closer like to the outside of my lip color, so you can't, it doesn't really look like I have anything on unless you come up close. Let's go ahead and use the lip gloss. The lip gloss is only B. I actually really like the lip gloss. Like it's not sticky. When I put it on last time, my lips didn't feel like dry. A lot of times with like lip gloss or even liquid liners or most lipsticks, like you know, your lips just feel really dry. So I really like the lip gloss, but I don't really like the lip liner for Brittany's. I feel like it's a little, I mean, it looks good, I guess. I don't know, maybe I do like it because I'm not like a lip liner person. So like I'm not a blush person, I'm not a lip liner person. So I never really do like anything dramatic with lip liner anyway. So I don't know, maybe this hair color is not too bad because it does look natural. Here is the finished look. I really like the way it came out. I liked the way the like brown liner came out, but you can't really see now because I mean you can kind of see the lashes. It definitely gets like buried in the lashes. I feel like with Brittany's palette, the shadows were getting lost when I was blending. Well, this color more specifically, and the blue too, actually. So they were kind of get a little lost when I was blending. I didn't notice that with Brianna's though, which is weird. I don't know why, because it's like the same company, it's, you know, the same collection. It's kind of weird. But and then with this glitter or shimmer to Icy Girl, the glitter is kind of so chunky, or the shimmer, whatever, it's so chunky that it was kind of hard to apply. Right now I'm liking Brianna's palette a little bit more quality wise, which again is weird because it's the same collection, it's the same company. I don't know why it would be different, but it is for some weird reason. Let me know what you guys think of the look. Let me know if you have this palette and your experience with it. I still haven't like really looked or watched any videos of people like reviewing it, so maybe I'll do that now, because again, like I said, I wanted to use everything before I like go and watch other videos and get other people's opinions and whatever. If you guys have this palette or are interested in buying anything from this collection, comment down below and let me know. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.